Today, we will talk about how to organize your school desk. Let's have a look at the details. If you have a desk with built-in storage for your books and supplies, you have probably gathered a bunch of other stuff too. If your desk gets too cluttered, it can be hard to get to what you need. You can clean out your desk by removing everything, sorting through it all, and getting rid of things you don't need anymore. Then you can organize it by using tape to make sections for different things, having a spot where your textbooks go, and using containers to organize all of your smaller supplies. The first step is cleaning out your desk. Take everything out of your desk. Lay things out on top of the desk so that you can see most of it. You may have to pile things up a little bit, but that's okay for now. Once it's all laid out, you can see what you had on your desk and begin to sort through it. Sort everything into piles. These piles could be textbooks, notebooks and folders, supplies like pens, rulers and compasses, graded papers, assignments you are still working on, and assorted items like paper clips, toys, or stickers. Sorting it out like this will help you see what sections you can organize your desk into. It will also help you see what doesn't belong. As you sort, throw away anything that is garbage, such as candy wrappers, paper scraps, or broken writing utensils. Having a trash can or a plastic bag nearby will help you get rid of things more quickly. Check over supplies like pens, pencils, markers, crayons, paper clips, rubber bands, and erasers, and throw away anything that is broken, dried out, or no longer useful. Toss out or give away any duplicate items you don't need. Recycle, pack up, or file old papers. Your desk is most likely filled with graded papers and handouts. Take a look through all of it to see what you have. Recycle anything you don't need. Wipe down your desk. While everything is out of your desk, take a wet paper towel with soap, cleaning wipes, or disinfectant spray, and give the whole desk a once-over. Wipe around the inside of the desk, as well as the surface. You can even wipe under it and around the legs if you want to be thorough. And the second step is filling the desk. Use masking tape to make sections in the storage part of the desk. One way to keep things in place is to create 2 to 3 sections inside the desk. By dividing it with tape, you'll want a large section for textbooks, maybe one for notebooks and folders, and 1 to 2 for the rest of the items you'll need. Ask your teacher before putting tape on your desk. Put large items in first. Your books, folders, and notebooks will take up the most space, so put these in first in the section you've designated for them. Also, put items toward the back that you will need less frequently. Use organizer boxes for other supplies. One of the best ways to organize all of the small items on your desk is with small boxes. You could use old jewelry boxes, tissue boxes, or even small food boxes. Place a couple of these on your desk so you can separate smaller items. Other options would include getting a pencil case for all your writing utensils or small plastic containers for paper clips, rubber bands, staples, and erasers. You could keep the lids on to avoid spills or leave the lids off for easier access. Have one container for assorted junk that will accumulate. Besides the containers for supplies you need, it's also helpful to have one just for random things you gather. This might be stickers from a teacher, a rubber ball from a friend, candy, or rocks you gather at recess. Inspect your desk on a regular basis to maintain order. Since you will take things out of your desk and put them back daily, it's bound to get disorganized again before long. If you work hard to always put stuff in its proper spot and you check it weekly, your desk can stay organized for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.